cryptocurrency?
Have you ever heard people saying things like, Bitcoin made me rich, or crypto is the future? But when you try to understand it, everything sounds confusing. Wallets, blockchain, mining? Don't worry. In this video, I'll explain everything in simple, easy words. No big tech talk. Just clear answers to your biggest questions about cryptocurrency. Let's start with the most important one. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital money. You can't touch it like cash or coins. It only lives online. Bitcoin is the most popular one, but there are many others like Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin. With crypto, you don't need a bank. You can send money, buy things, or invest all from your phone or computer. Okay, now, how does this magic money actually work? How does cryptocurrency work? It uses something called blockchain. Think of blockchain like a digital notebook, a record of every transaction. But this notebook is not in one place. It's copied and shared across thousands of computers worldwide. Every time someone sends or receives crypto, a new block is added to the chain. Because so many people have the same copy, it's very hard to change, hack, or cheat. This is why crypto is called decentralized. No single person or government controls it. Let's move on to the next question. Who created the first cryptocurrency? The first crypto, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows who that is. Could be one person or a group. But the idea was simple. Make money that people can use without banks or governments and send directly to each other. Okay, now suppose I want to buy some crypto. What should I do? How can you buy cryptocurrency? You can buy crypto using online platforms called exchanges, like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. You create an account, connect your bank or card, and then buy coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It works like buying something on Amazon, but instead of a product, you get digital money. Next question. Where do you keep your cryptocurrency? You keep it in something called a wallet, but not a real one. A crypto wallet is an app, website, or device that stores your private key. This key is like your password. It proves that you own the coins. There are two types. Hot wallets, online, easy to use, but less secure. Cold wallets, offline, like a USB, safer, but needs care. If you lose your private key, your crypto is gone. No one can help you get it back. So be very careful. Let's talk about how people actually use crypto. What can you do with cryptocurrency? You can buy products and services if the seller accepts crypto, like electronics, games, or even flight tickets. You can send money to someone in another country, faster and cheaper than banks. Some people get paid in crypto for online jobs, but most people buy crypto for investing. They hope the value will rise so they can sell later and make profit. Now, a very important question. Is cryptocurrency safe? The technology, blockchain, is very safe, but there are still risks. If you click a fake link, share your private key, or use a scam app, you can lose all your money. There is no reset password or customer service. So yes, crypto is secure if you use it carefully. Alright, here's something many people ask. Is cryptocurrency legal? In most countries, crypto is legal to buy and use. But some countries have banned it or made strict rules. Always check your local laws before you invest. Good news is, more and more countries are making clear rules to support safe crypto use. Next, can you make money from cryptocurrency? Yes, many people have made money from crypto. They buy coins when prices are low and sell when they are high. This is called trading or investing. But prices go up and down fast. You can make money but also lose money very quickly. So never invest all your money. Start small. Learn first. Let's talk about the people who create new coins. What is crypto mining? Mining is the process of creating new coins and confirming transactions. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex problems. When they solve it, they get a reward, new coins. But mining uses a lot of electricity. Some people say it's bad for the environment, so newer coins use different systems that are more eco-friendly. Now to our final big question. What is the future of cryptocurrency? Crypto is growing fast. Big companies, banks, and even governments are now using or exploring crypto. Some countries are making their own digital money. Crypto might become as normal as using a credit card or mobile banking. But remember, it's still new. So stay informed, stay safe, and keep learning.